Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cornelialove Kitchen. Today I'm going to be reading Proverbs 11 verse 8. The righteous person is rescued from trouble, and it fall on the wicked instead. Amen. Today I'm going to be making a cheesy fried potato. So I have my potato here boiling, and I had some salt to it. So now I'm just going to throw off the water. So now guys, I'm just going to crush it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley leaf, some black pepper, all-purpose season. Just gonna combine all these. So now guys, I'm going to add an egg. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. I'm going to add my cheese. Yummy for your tummy. Just want to mix it in. Okay, now guys, this is how you want it to look. I'm gonna add my oil to my frying pan, and I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious cheesy fried potato. Okay, now guys, let me show you how I did that. Just gonna pinch off a piece. You can make it any size you want it. Just roll it. Then you're just gonna press. See? Show you one more. You could smell the cheese. Two to 3 minutes on each side. Okay guys, this is my finishing dish. My cheesy fried potato. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cornelialove is in the kitchen cooking something delicious. Yummy for your tummy. Have a blessed day. See you next time. Yummy for your tummy.